Hi guys, so welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Like I do every time, especially every Monday, I just look for potential tokens that you guys need to know. And if you look at my computer screen, you're going to see that this is a Trump trending cryptocurrency in United States, and the token that is sitting in the first position is Fabwelt. I'm taking my time to read through this token. This is like a play to earn game token. They build game ecosystem and they have two major projects. Without wasting much of your time, this token is a token that I think for now is very undervalued, and it will be good for you to take note of this token, take note of this particular project, and look for ways you can actually make money off it. But one thing that is very important is for you guys to understand that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advice. I only make educational videos, right? So what I do is I just give you updates on things I see, and I just give you information about them so you can go on to do your own research. That being said, without wasting much of our time, let's head over to Fabwelt. So basically, Fabwelt is a token built on the Polygon blockchain and also on the Binance Smart Chain, which makes it a multi-chain token. As you can see, this token is built on the Polygon chain and also on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and currently they have over 13,908 people on their watch list, which means a lot of people are aware of this token. The fact that I don't know about it doesn't mean that people that know about it don't know about it. And as you can see from information we can get, the market cap of this token is just $1 million, and the trading volume according to CoinMarketCap is around $973,000 in the last 24 hours. So the question is, why are people looking for this particular token? I don't know. But then one thing I can say for sure is this is not a meme token. This is actually a very interesting project. If you come down to CoinMarketCap.com, you're going to see that they say Fabwelt creates games and technology to fully integrate blockchain technology for advanced gameplay experience, right? They create different types of genre of games like the first 3D first-person shooter, action, adventure, simulation games, strategy games, fantasy games, and even sports games, right? And they have 2 games to their credit so far that I know about. And if you look at CoinMarketCap, there's a part of CoinMarketCap where people are allowed to give comments about a particular project to see whether the project they feel is bullish or not. But you can see from here a lot of people are saying bullish. Somebody commented the largest game ecosystem being built and the team delivers to the moon. So a lot of people are tipping this particular token to be very, very big. So guys, this could be a very good potential opportunity. And one thing I want you guys to do is please make sure, like I always advise, you do your own research about this project, right? If you leave CoinMarketCap and move over to the official website, you're going to see that Fabwelt is a gaming NFT and a decentralized finance platform. And in this official website, you can actually trade and you can stake. And as you can see here, you can see from the information on the official website, you have the gaming, the features, the metaverse, the roadmap, the team, the partners, the white paper, and the tokens. So this is already looking like a review video. So let's just keep moving because there's so much to talk about this project. Now, from the official website, you can see that from the about us say Fabwelt is a blockchain technology plus high-end games, which is equal to the Fabwelt ecosystem. These are interesting quality high-end games that is built on the blockchain, right? So we aim to attract gamers and artists all over the world. We have the in-game NFT technology, which is as strategic utilities, play to earn, which has never been seen before, gameplay and rewards. Then the DeFi, the staking, and the in-game farming. Now, if you move down, you see that they say that a gaming ecosystem, the start of the biggest gaming ecosystem, and 2 major games that they are working on, right, is the Arsenal. Now they say Arsenal is a 3D first-person shooter, FPS game, first-person shooter. So there's a person that is shooting and attacking the enemies. There are some games like that I've played in the past. I'm trying to remember one. Is it Commando? Can't remember, but you should know games like this. The game is developed by Fabwelt with its unique in-game NFT as utilities and a play to earn. So as you play the game, you have chance of earning some tokens, which you can actually trade to real money and you can use for other stuff. So it features fascinating tournaments with extraordinary maps and features developed with utility and integrated over. So if you want to learn more about the Arsenal game, you can click here, try Arsenal. And the second one is called Fabwelt. So now the Fabwelt is a fantasy sports gaming platform under Fabwelt ecosystem, where the users participate in one or many sporting tournaments to back daily reward and tournament prizes. So Arsenal is for shooting games, Fabwelt is for sporting games. You can go on to do more research, like I've said before. Now the other features that is going to give this project more utility, they have the high-end games, the gaming ecosystem, the NFT, the play to earn, the staking reward, the DeFi gameplay, right? And they are working on their metaverse, Metaverse Unlimited. I just advise you to go on to check through the website. You should know that I don't like making very, very long videos. From here, the roadmap of this project is here. This project started in 2021, and currently we are in 2022, right? The first quarter of 2022, they are planning to develop their gaming ecosystem, develop their the gamers portal, their mainnet launch, and now the new centralized exchange, staking portal, and the large Fabwelt. So maybe this is the reason a lot of people are searching for this token. We cannot say. Now, if you go on BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain, you see that the people that are owning this token by the address, they have just 811 addresses here on Binance Smart Chain, and the few people just got this token. But if we check the Polygon, the Matic chain, Smart Chain, you're going to see that people that are holding this token are 7,311 addresses, and with over 175,000 transfers. 6 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, a lot of people are still jumping and buying this token. Now, why did I review this token? I'm the kind of person that I try to look for good investment opportunities, and I inform my community about it. And so far, I've known over time with experience that once you see a token trending on CoinGecko, it is important for you to take note of that token. And for some reason, I saw Fabwelt trending on CoinGecko, and it's staying number one, the top trending token in the United States, right? And I'm sure that people in the US, the reason they are searching for this token should be either a positive or a negative reason. So I went on to check the token, check the project, whether it is something serious and stuff like that, and I find out that this is actually a serious project. They are building a gaming ecosystem. This is not a meme token. For example, the second token here, Floki Moon, is a meme token. I've done a review of that token. I've done a review on Bimbi Lambo Inu. They have a very good community. If you want to get more information about these other two tokens, you can check my other videos. This particular video is focusing on Fabwelt. This is not a financial advice, like I said. This is just me giving you signal, giving you indicator, showing you that this particular project has a lot of potentials, and everything from even the CoinMarketCap comments, people are actually bullish on this project. So I advise you to take your time to do more research, and I'll be keeping tabs on the project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. There's so much not happening in the crypto space right now, because unlike before, we used to have a lot of projects going on and everything. Maybe because of the current situation in the world, maybe the Ukraine and Russia crisis, the Bitcoin, the Fed, and so many things happening. Maybe that is having an effect on the crypto space generally, investors and all. But notwithstanding, when I see good projects like this, I will do it to let you know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like I said earlier. Turn my bell post notification on. Bye for now. Like my video, it helps my algorithm, and I hope to see you in my next video. And yes, you can leave a comment and tell me what you think about this project.